ऐसा माना जाता है कि अगर सच्चे दिल से कोई कामना करे तो भगवान उसे जरूर पूरा करते हैं। बस मन साफ और सोच अच्छी रहनी चाहिए। Today we will witness 3 most powerful religious temples in Mangalore, Karnataka. धर्मस्थला, सुब्रमण्यम और सौतरका गणपति टेम्पल, और जानेंगे इन टेम्पल की हिस्ट्री, उनकी अनोखी कहानी और उनका रिलीजियस इम्पोर्टेंस। ईश्वर का नाम लेके चलो चलते हैं उनके दर्शन लेने।
What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from Karnataka. So today we are heading to Subramaniam Dharmasthala, which is the biggest temple here in Karnataka. So हमारा last vlog था, if you have seen it, if you haven't then go check it out. It's the Kurg vlog that I just uploaded last week, so check out that video first. वहाँ से अभी हम कुर्ग से जा रहे हैं धर्मस्थला एंड सुब्रमण्यम टू द टेम्पल। सो अभी हम ऑल टू हैं ऑन दिस लोकेशन। यहाँ पे एक गणपति टेम्पल है विच इज़ लाइक वेरी नाइस एंड क्यूट गणपति। सो वी गोना टेक द दर्शन फर्स्ट एंड देन मूव ऑन एंड बिगिन आवर जर्नी अगेन टू सुब्रमण्यम एंड धर्मस्थला। Temple, that is the temple that you see behind me, this beautiful temple which is also inspired by the South Indian architecture. And we're now going inside photography, cameras and all are not allowed, and also you have to dress modestly as well, so I've added a shawl to my dress and we're gonna go inside, take darshan and catch you up later.
The Kukku Subramanya temple is considered to be one of the holiest places in Karnataka. Being located approximately 100 kilometers from Mangalore city, this temple has a strong history and belief. The temple is dedicated to Lord Kartikeya, who is worshipped as Lord Subramanya, son of Lord Shiva. He is also considered as Lord of Serpents. According to the legends, Serpent King Vasuki was performing tapas for years in the Biladwara caves of Kukku Subramanya, as he and the other serpents were threatened by Garuda, that is eagle. Subsequent to Lord Shiva's guarantee, King Vasuki was provided darshan by Lord Kartikeya and promised that he would stay as his Parama Bhakta in this place forever. Here pujas are devoted to Vasuki and Lord Subramanya.
We just did our darshan and came outside. Darshan काफ़ी अच्छा था. There was a little rush but then too अच्छे से भगवान को देखने मिला. So after darshan at the main temple, we are going to one more temple which is right next to the main temple. The temple that we are going currently is called Adi Subramanyam. This other temple, इसका खासियत ये है कि ये पानी के बीच में है. There's a small water body and in between that water body is this temple.
The Adi Subramanya temple is just few minutes away from the main Subramanya temple. Not many people know about this temple. This is the Moolasthala of Lord Subramanya. The temple has a stream of Kumardhara river that flows right beside it.
So there's also a garden which is opposite to the temple, which is quite recent addition to the temple, which is called as Pushpodhanaya, and that's the garden entry. Adi Subramanyam temple is right over there. It's nice to rest also after like all the temple darshan and all. You can come here, rest and be with nature and enjoy all the surroundings. Hold करने के लिए यहाँ पे those are all the guest houses. They are of the temple trust also and some of them are private and government. हम लोग यहाँ पे market area में हैं. There's a huge market with lots of shops over here. जहाँ पे you can buy पूजा सामग्री items, you can buy gifts, you can buy toys, there are food items, all those things as well which you can buy over here. And there's so many of them. Literally this whole lane is dedicated to these markets over here. लंच। करेंटली बजे है 2:30, सो लेट लंच हो रहा है। एंड यहाँ पे वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड इज द राइस थाली विच लुक्स सो डिलिशियस। There are two different types of bhajis and there's buttermilk, there's rice, papad, sambar. This looks wholesome and now I'm gonna eat. Alright, so we just had our lunch at this place and now we're moving forward to a Ganpati temple, which is also a very special and unique temple. Let's get on the road again. It's super sunny currently. Now we're at our next location. This is the South Tadka Ganpati temple, which is another ancient temple over here. Here the speciality of the temple is that the Ganpati Murti has no roof and it's an open temple, and the only roof is this natural roof of the trees, which is so nice and very close to the nature. So we're gonna go inside, take darshan, and I'll speak to you when we come back. Tadka Ganpati temple has a unique history and a story attached to it. According to the history, the story goes like this, that Ganpati Murti belonged to a rich royal family. They had a fear that the enemies would destroy the Murti, so they took the Murti from the place and they gave it to the cow herd and they brought the Murti over here. Now this place specifically, there used to be cucumber fields. Hence the name of this temple is Saute, which means cucumber, and Adka means meadows, and that is how this name came into existence for this temple. Now again, the unique thing about the temple over here is that यहाँ पे छत नहीं है. There is no roof to the temple. Also this Ganpati Murti is said to be growing every year, like little by little, and that is also one of the reasons for not building a roof above the temple. So there are also shops here that is outside the temple where you can buy these trinkets like bells, gifts, jewelry. These are the shops that you can see behind me, and they're so pretty. Temple. The road to the temple is via the actual forest, but the roads are really nice and smooth. But on both the sides there are huge dense forest. You'll find rubber plantations, you'll find coconut oil mills and so many more things. It's around 4:20 currently and हम जाएंगे अभी temple को दर्शन लेने. There's also a park outside the temple. That behind what you see is the park, and बहुत ही greenery nature वगैरह है यहाँ पे, and people are resting here after taking the darshan, like they're sitting here. So this is a nice park, so nice and greenery. ये सब new additions. Last time when I came ये सब नहीं था. This is nice to have the devotees that come over here.
The Dharmasthala temple is dedicated to the Almighty Lord Shiva in the name of Manjunatha. It is said to be more than 800 years old temple, and it is one of the most celebrated religious temples of South India. Legends say that the Shiva Linga was bought by a very powerful local man named Annappa. The unique thing about the Dharmasthala temple is that the daily pujas and aartis are performed by the Hindu Vaishnava priest, while the temple administration is taken care by the Jain community. The temple also offers Anna Prasadam, that is free food, to its devotees every single day. The religious temple will definitely make you feel calm and spiritually happy after seeking the blessings.
हमारा दर्शन अभी पूरा हो चुका है. एक्चुअली देयर इज अ टाइमिंग इन धर्मस्थला टेम्पल. 5 o'clock तो वो ओपन होता है. वी केम एट द टेम्पल लाइक 4:30, सो वी हैड टू वेट फॉर हाफ एन आवर फॉर द टेम्पल टू ओपन. एंड 9 तो काफ़ी था वैसे, बट ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 hours में हमारा पूरा दर्शन हो गया. एंड अंदर जाके दे हैव वेरी सिस्टमैटिक अरेंजमेंट टू टेक द दर्शन. देयर इज द क्यू विच इज़ वेरी सिस्टमैटिक, एंड बहुत ही अच्छे से दर्शन हुआ. अंदर तो फोटोग्राफी एंड वीडियोग्राफी इज़ नॉट अलाउड, विच इज़ मच रिस्पेक्टेड, but I'll give you like a brief. And it's an ancient temple which is made out of stone. वहाँ पे no electricity is used. Even the holy idol is even lit by diyas, which is looks so beautiful. Uska surrounding area is made out of wood, which is also so beautifully carved. इतने अच्छे carving है वहाँ पे, and people from all over India come here to visit the temple. But then too, you have to come and see it yourself and take blessings of Lord Shiva from here. So these were my temple journeys here near Mangalore city. Very ancient, very old and very popular temples, and the 3 must visit temple here near Mangalore. Aage ka we are going to Udupi, which is going to be the next video, and I'm going to show you all the things to do in Udupi next. So if you like this video and made it this far, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.